Welcome back to Healing Supplements videos. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most beloved spices in the world, cinnamon. For thousands of years, this aromatic treasure, harvested from the inner bark of trees, has been cherished not just in kitchens, but also in traditional medicine cabinets across diverse cultures. Its warm, sweet flavor instantly enhances everything from your morning oatmeal to savory dishes. But beyond its delightful taste, cinnamon packs a powerful punch of health benefits, many of which are now being validated by modern science. In this comprehensive guide, we'll uncover the science behind how cinnamon works in the body. We'll explore its most significant health benefits, from blood sugar regulation to brain health. We'll also discuss how to identify the best natural sources and why supplementation can be a game changer, especially for older adults. So stick with me to the very end, because I'll be sharing practical, easy ways to incorporate cinnamon into your daily routine, plus my personal recommendation for finding a high-quality, trusted supplement source you can rely on. Cinnamon comes from the inner bark of trees belonging to the cinnamomum family. When the bark dries, it curls into rolls that we know as cinnamon sticks, or it can be ground into the familiar powdered spice. There are actually two main types: Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, the more common variety you'll find in grocery stores. While both have health benefits, Ceylon cinnamon is generally considered to be the healthier option because it contains lower levels of coumarin. At the heart of cinnamon's power are its potent bioactive compounds. The most famous is cinnamaldehyde, responsible for cinnamon's warm aroma and much of its healing potential. It's also packed with powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals, has anti-inflammatory properties, and supports metabolic health. Let's look at cinnamon's most incredible health benefits. First, it supports healthy blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, helping your cells use glucose more effectively. It also helps prevent sharp blood sugar spikes after meals, making it especially beneficial for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. For heart health protection, cinnamon may help lower LDL or bad cholesterol, while maintaining or improving HDL, the good cholesterol. It may also reduce triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood. Improving these key markers supports healthier blood vessels and overall cardiovascular health. Cinnamon provides powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. The compounds in cinnamon can help lower inflammatory markers, offering a natural way to combat this underlying problem. Cinnamon naturally fights bacteria, fungi, and even viruses, thanks to its active component, cinnamaldehyde. This makes it a traditional remedy for infections and a natural way to support immune health. Some studies suggest cinnamon may help protect brain function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by inhibiting the buildup of certain proteins in the brain. Cinnamon has long been used to soothe the stomach, reduce gas and bloating, and support overall gut health. It can also support healthy weight management by balancing blood sugar and reducing cravings. While cinnamon isn't an essential nutrient, a deficiency really means your diet is missing out on incredible benefits. Signs you might benefit from more cinnamon include frequent sugar cravings or blood sugar swings, high cholesterol or blood pressure concerns, persistent inflammation or joint pain, and frequent infections or a weakened immune system. You can get cinnamon naturally by adding it to your diet. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, yogurt, tea, or even coffee. But to get consistent therapeutic benefits, especially for managing blood sugar or supporting heart health, many people turn to cinnamon supplements. Remember, not all cinnamon is created equal. When choosing a supplement, it's crucial to opt for high-quality Ceylon cinnamon. This variety, often called true cinnamon, provides all the health benefits we've discussed without the risks of excessive coumarin found in the more common cassia type. Look for supplements that are third-party tested for purity and potency to ensure you're getting a safe and effective product. As we age, our bodies can face greater challenges with blood sugar regulation, cholesterol balance, and inflammation. Incorporating a Ceylon cinnamon supplement can be a proactive step, providing a safe, natural way to support your metabolic health. It works with your body to help maintain stability and reduce the impact of age-related changes, empowering you to stay active and vibrant for years to come. So, whether you're looking to proactively protect your heart, manage your blood sugar, or simply add a natural antioxidant-rich boost to your overall wellness routine, cinnamon is a simple but powerful herb you don't want to overlook. If you found this information helpful, please Please support the channel by hitting that like button, subscribing to Healing Supplements, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on natural health. Please note that a trusted source for cinnamon herb is listed in the comments below the video. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried adding cinnamon to your diet or supplements? What changes have you noticed? Drop your experiences and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.